Hi everyone, this is our group that have 4 members, Muhammad Zakwan, Arisa Sofia, Elhamilia, and myself, Nur Aini. So I would like to present to you guys about general type of organic reaction, which is addition reaction. The definition of chemical reaction is reactions in which a nucleophile reacts with an electrophile. You need to remember that the electron division species is electrophile, so our carbon is electrophilic carbon, while Cn- is negatively charged, so is it and nucleophile. Addition can be divided into two types, which is electrophilics and nucleophilics. Before you get into general type of reaction, you have to know the meaning of nucleophile and electrophile. Nucleophile is electron-rich species. It can be neutral or negatively charged, while electrophile is electron division species. It can be neutral or positively charged.
Definition: addition reaction. A reaction in which atom or group of atoms add to a molecule with multiple bond, double or triple bond. Keep in mind that addition reaction involve molecule with multiple bond. It doesn't matter whether it is our team, alkene, or even ketone or propanol. Ketone and propanol have C double bond or addition reaction involve breaking of one pi bond to sigma bond. Electrophilic addition. Typical reaction for alkene or alkyne reaction involve C double bond and C triple bond. So I will C double bond and C triple bond. In alkene, they are both nucleophilic electron-rich species. Substitute to attack electrophilic. The name of this reaction is electrophilic addition, because there are neutrophilic and electrophilic will add into this reaction, so that's why the reaction is called electrophilic. This is the same example as the I have shown you before. So now look at the second reaction. We have alkene react with HCl. Our nucleophilic is alkene and electrophilic is electron division, so our H is electrophile, so alkene will attack electrophile and through carbon will get hydrogen. Note that the left side of carbon has 2 hydrogen, and at the product the left side of carbon has 2 hydrogen infinitely, and new hydrogen is added into this carbon, and another carbon will receive Ci. Note that this carbon has 2 hydrogen as is the same before. Neutrophilic addition. Most common reaction of aldehydes and ketone. Remember that addition involves multiple bond. So how your multiple bond is for aldehyde and ketone? Neutrophilic approach to the electrophilic of carbon group. So this reaction is called neutral addition because a nucleophile get into the electrophile. So let me see the table initiated by nucleophile. Secondly, typical reaction for unsaturated compound with electrophilic side carbon group. So take a note of it. So let me see the example, a simplified example that have a structure. Our electrophile is in electron deficient species. We have hydrogen as a nucleophile. It will attack C carbon as electrophile because here is electron deficient species or here is electron rich species, so our nucleophile will attack the electrophile side and it will form alcohol. The carbon atom note that it has 2R group, and in the product it will have 2R group as well. So the reaction we have 1 oxygen and the product will have 1 more oxygen. The addition is 2 more hydrogen, so that why we call addition reaction, and we added nucleophile into the reaction, so we call it is nucleophile addition.
Free radical addition reaction, known as Karash effect or anti-Markovnikov addition reaction. It is a special reaction addition that occurs only when the reagent is HBr and the solvent is peroxide. There are 3 free radical addition reactions. First, initiation. Second is propagation. The last is termination. Mechanism of reaction. First is initiation. In the presence of sunlight, the peroxide molecule undergo homolytic fission and form free radical. Then the reagent HBr react with the solvent radicals and form bromine radicals.
For propagation, first, bromine radical generated in the initiation process will react with the alkene to attain stability. Second, the radical attracted by the pi electron of alkene. And third, the stability of the intermediate radical form will be determined by the anti-mechanical rules. And the last one is termination. Termination is the reactant occurs only when any of 2 reactants is finished.
Things to remember based on addition. Based on the first attack of reagent, addition reaction are divided into nucleophilic, electrophilic, and free radical addition. Secondly, nucleophilic addition reactions are generally found in aldehyde and ketone. The presence of an electrophilic center triggers the nucleophilic addition reaction. Thirdly, electrophilic addition is accompanied by nucleophilic addition to form a stable product, and the stable of intermediate carbocation determine the rate of reaction.
Markovnikov rule is used to find the most stable carbocation. Free radical addition reaction mainly occurs when HBr is added to alkene or alkyne in the presence of peroxide. Stability of free radical tertiary, secondary to primary. So that's all from our group. Thank you.